Hello and welcome to the eFresh.com fruit, vegetables, and potato news. Today is the 29th of September. My name is Kim and these are this week's headlines. Cold kills bees, hits Australian fruit. Whitefly hits Bowen tomato crops. High Aussie dollar to hit farm exports. Potato genome could revolutionize breeding programs. Pineapple growers discover a juicy market. Plums from the southwest region in Australia could be in short supply because cold weather has killed off bees vital for pollination. The fruit-growing town of Manjimup has a bitterly cold and wet September. The mean maximum temperature this month has been 14.7 degrees Celsius and has already received 147 millimeters of rain. Fruit growers have been reporting that bees died because of the cold weather. West Australia Fruit Growers Association Summers Fruit spokesman Mark Wilkinson said plum and apricot yield predictions across the southwest were down. The bees get drowned, he said. The wet weather could have its greatest impact on stone fruit such as plums and apricots, which relied on bees for pollination. Stone fruit such as peaches and nectarines, which self-pollinated, would be less affected. Tomato producers in the North Queensland town of Bowen are losing crop because of attacks from whitefly. The insect attacks the fruit and discolors it, making it unsellable to the buying public. One of Bowen's biggest tomato producers, Andrew Wilcox of Corella Farms, says even though tomatoes are being left on the vine to waste, it's not completely bad news for the industry. There might be some financial loss, but hopefully because they've had an overproduction year, they will work on the supply and demand situation. Farm export earnings are forecasted to fall this financial year because of the strength of the Australian dollar. The value of farm exports is forecasted to fall by 2.5% to $31.1 billion in 2009-2010, following a significant rise of 16% to $31.9 billion in 2008-2009. Although winter crop production is forecasted to increase in 2009-2010, an assumed higher average of the Australian dollar is expected to lead to lower farm export earnings in the short term. An international research consortium, which includes New Zealand scientists, has mapped 95% of the humble potato genome. The resulting blueprint of how the potato works could revolutionize breeding programs. New Zealand would benefit from the genome sequencing through genetic control of important attributes, including disease resistance, nutritional value, color, and flavor. The genome sequence would also enable potato breeders to reduce the period of 10 to 12 years currently needed to breed new varieties. The PGSC produced the first draft sequence of the potato genome after 3 years of work. Pineapple may become yet another good revenue earner for Kerala after plantation crops with the recent granting of GI status to Vasaculum pineapple. The Pineapple Farmers Association, based at Vasaculum, is on the verge of signing an MOU with a Gulf-based entrepreneur for exporting pineapple from Kerala on a regular basis. They are looking at an export order of 1 container a week from there. A 20-foot container can accommodate 18 tons of pineapple. More export orders to different countries are expected by 2010. The Vasaculum variety accounts for 50% of the 3.3 lakh tons of pineapple produced in Kerala every year. Thank you for watching the eFresh.com fruit, vegetables, and potato news. See you next time.